Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your images look unique in just one click in Gemini. So paste this prompt, you can obviously change it to your style, and like in this case it's a man. You can obviously change it to a stylish woman in a sleek dress, like black dress or red dress, anything you want. I'm just going to, based on this photo, generate, don't change his face, and then press enter. I should probably say a stylish man, sorry. Just a second, it's going to generate the picture for me. And this is what the image should look like. Super cool, sleek. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!